The Virginia State Police and the Virginia Missing Children's Clearinghouse has issued an Amber Alert on behalf of the Augusta County Sheriff's Office for a child abduction that occurred on December 28, 2021 at 16:21 hours. The child is believed to be in extreme danger and was last seen at 420 Alamo Chapel Road in Spotswood, Virginia. Abducted is Jackson Dale Moran, white male, brown hair, brown eyes, 13 years old, 5 foot 3 inches tall, weighing 115 pounds. He's possibly wearing a lime green and gray Ariat hat, a navy blue Under Armour hooded sweatshirt, blue jeans, and Ariat work boots. The child has been abducted by Stephen Dale Moran, white male with red hair, brown eyes, 5 foot 5 inches tall, weighing 200 pounds. The suspect is possibly wearing a blue long-sleeve shirt, blue jeans, tennis shoes, and a camouflaged John Deere baseball cap. For further information, contact the Augusta County Sheriff's Office at 540-245-5333 or visit twitter.com/VSP Alerts.